Hello, Mark here with another Can-Am Ryker video. Today I'm going to show you inexpensive drink holders that I mounted to the mirrors here. I got both of them for under $10 and they work great. And of course I'm going to leave you the link on how to get them and show you the complete installation. I hope you enjoy the video. I wanted a drink holder on my Can-Am Ryker but didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I went to Amazon.com and took a chance on these Acmore drink holders. You get two of these, two rubber strips here, and they end up costing me $8.89, a great deal for a two-pack of these, and they seem like they're pretty good quality. I mean, very hard, durable plastic, and I mounted these to the mirrors on my Ryker instead of on the handlebars using this clamp here. And they seem to be holding up very well. I put a couple hundred miles on these things already, and I don't like to bring you guys videos without actually testing the products out. So anyway, guys, let's go to the installation. 3 tools are going to be needed for your installation today. You're going to need a 1/4 inch drill bit, a T30 Torx, and also your standard Phillips head screwdriver. Alright guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the cardboard that's on the front of this thing here. And you're going to see this screw that's in the middle here. And when you loosen that screw, this is going to turn left and right, and you're going to be able to use this in either direction if you did want to mount this on your handlebars. But like I said, we're not going to be doing that today, so I'm going to unloosen this screw completely here and get this little clamp off the back here. So we do want to get this off, and it comes off fairly easy, as you can see here. So that's off, and what you're going to be left with here is just this screw on the back, but this is in there very, very loosely, as you can see here, and that just pushed basically right out the back. So we got the screw out. Now what we want to do is get this onto the Ryker, and I'm going to show you the next steps in that process. We're going to be mounting this drink holder to the mirrors, and there's a bolt that actually holds the mirror on. It's going to go through this hole right here, but this hole isn't big enough, so that's where our 1/4 inch drill bit's going to come into play here. I'm going to grab my drill, and I'm going to actually just drill this out a little bit bigger. Alright, that's that. The hole's a little bit bigger here. Let's get to installing this on the Ryker. Alright guys, super easy installation of this thing here. You're going to see, here's our T30 Torx bit that's holding our mirrors on, and I'm just going to loosen this up real quick here and take this screw out. I'm trying to do this one-handed here. I need a large tripod is what I really need, but let me get this unthreaded the rest of the way. And you're going to see when I get this out here, this thing is actually pretty long, and once this is out, these mirrors actually adjust 360 degrees here. I'm not going to turn them all the way around here, but you get the point. You're going to want to adjust these into the position that I have them here, and this also spins 360 degrees, so you're going to be able to twist this and turn this as much as you want. Let me go grab my drink holder now. Alright guys, I got the screw that I just took out of the mirror here, and I'm placing it in the center of the drink holder, and as you can see, this thing's going to fit absolutely perfectly here. And once I get this pushed in, I'm going to get over to my mirror here. This pushes perfectly into the mirror slot here, and what I'm going to do is just get that tightened down right now. I got this T30 tightened down here, and it's looking pretty good. It's not moving. It looks really great behind the mirror here, and I have 2 of these on. Let me get you a better angle here. You can see one on the left and one on the right, and they blend really, really nicely in with the Ryker. They look like something that's actually factory and made to be on this thing. Anyway guys, let me show you what kind of drinks I tested this out with. I tested this drink holder for about 200 miles here, and I tested it with various drinks. None of them fell out. This is your standard soda can here. As you can see, fits in very, very well. It won't bounce out here. Let me switch this up to a standard water bottle. As you can see, fits very, very nicely in there, and never bounced out. Did rattle a little bit, but never came out. This holder seems to be doing its job. It's rated up to 27 ounces in weight and up to 3.3 inches in cup diameter here. This is like a Yeti knockoff that I'm going to be using for my coffee. Held very, very well in there. And finally, I'm going to show you a medium McDonald's drink here. That fits about the tightest in there. I mean, this thing is absolutely going nowhere. So it looks really good. I mean, they work very, very well. I think the 27-ounce rating is more for with the claw on there. I really think the diameter of the cup's really what's going to make the difference here. See how it looks, guys? Looking pretty good here. Got both of those on there, so my wife will be happy. She'll have a drink on the right-hand side. I'll have my drink on the left-hand side, and we'll be ready to roll. Alright guys, here's a view from the front. They look very, very nice on here. Let me show you one more view without the drinks in them. Alright, here's another view without the drinks in them. I'm really loving these things. They work great. At the time of the video, I got these for $8.89 on Amazon.com. Please check the description for the link. They come in black and they also come in white. The white at the time of this video were $9.99. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed my little mod today. If you did, please hit that like button. And like always, thanks for watching.